DOTE.
Welcome to the advanced tutorial on how to export SRT files and include them as subtitles when you play your video. So in the basic tutorial we have already covered how you can export your SRT file and then play it along with your video in, for instance, pod player or VLC. So the image or that you see in front of you, where you have the Lego demo project, and then you have a subtitled version of that, including both the original language in Danish, but also your subtitled or translated version below that. So this is an SRT file that you can play using any traditional media player, or at least VLC and pod player. So as we promised in the basic tutorial, we will also show you how you can actually tweak your subtitles even more. And here we will recommend a open free service called Subtitle Edit. It is currently only available for Windows, but there's also other alternatives that you can use on Mac. For instance, you can use the free version of DaVinci Resolve, where you can also tweak and set up your subtitles that you have exported from DOTE as an SRT file. So now I'll just show you Subtitle Edit, and there will also be a link directly to Subtitle Edit, which is developed by Nexe at .dk. So basically we will locate our subtitle. I will just show you how you can do that. And I will not save this project that I was currently working on, and just open our SRT file. So here we have the exact same SRT file as we have just exported from DOTE, and I can just get this a bit larger, and I will also like DOTE in the background like that. And here you see each of the segments that we have exported as an SRT file. And if I click and play the video over here, you will also see that they appear on top of each other, these two, the original language, but then also the translation line. We can do different things with that directly here. So we can break and split the line. So if I hit the cursor here and then I said split line, then you will see that I have actually now created a new line. So it's not totally linked to my original video and transcript. But something that is crucial for many of us is actually to position the subtitles in the right place, because there might be interesting things going on if we just have the standard version of the subtitles appearing in the bottom. So if you go to the format of your subtitles and then you select Advanced Substation Alpha, the ASS extension, then you see that we will have a new range of possibilities opening up in Subtitle Edit. And here we can just click on Advanced Styles here. And now you will see that we can actually tweak our subtitles. So I can call this DOTE. So I'm creating a new subtitle font, and I can figure out what should the alignment be. So if I want it in the top, I see this is maybe difficult to see, so I'll just change the color and we'll take this bright pink. And now you see that I can actually position my subtitles where I want to in my subtitle file. I can tweak around the margins, the border, and so on. I can also make it bold if I wanted to, italic, so on and so on. So by doing that, you can actually tweak and set up your SRT file for your specific purposes in relation to the project that you're currently working on. So I can just hit apply and then OK. And now you see that I have actually changed the subtitles to this bright pink version instead of the plain white version that is the standard in Subtitle Edit. So there are really a lot of opportunities in Subtitle Edit in order to tweak your transcript, and you can also switch between different styles as you play along the video, and so you can actually set it up quite nicely. And you also see that we have a nice waveform down here, so we can actually see the length of the duration of the initial segment, and we can tweak around that and set it up so it's appearing in a nice fashion when we play the video. So we really recommend that you use Subtitle Edit if you want to tweak and set up your subtitles in a much better way after you have exported them directly from DOTE. So this is just a recommendation to use Subtitle Edit if you want to play around and tweak and set up your subtitles in a professional way using a free software that you can pick off the shelf. So go to GitHub and locate Subtitle Edit, then you are ready to go as long as you're on a Windows PC. Otherwise, we recommend that you download and use, for instance, DaVinci Resolve, or if you have already installed and paid for Adobe Premiere, then you can also use that to edit your subtitles. But again, Subtitle Edit is a really powerful tool for tweaking your subtitles.